Join me as I dive into the world of cars to find out if the Toyota Camry really is the best-selling car of 2025. The Toyota Camry has been a household name for decades, and for good reason. It's consistently been one of the best-selling cars in the world, and its reputation for reliability and durability has earned it a loyal following. The automotive industry has been facing some significant challenges lately. With the rise of electric vehicles and changing consumer preferences, many manufacturers are struggling to keep up. In 2025, we're seeing a major shift in the market, with more and more people opting for eco-friendly options. But despite this, the Toyota Camry remains a top contender. So, what's driving its success? Another factor contributing to the industry's struggles is the increasing competition. With new manufacturers entering the market and established brands expanding their offerings, it's getting harder for individual models to stand out. Add to that the growing demand for innovative technology and sleek designs, and it's clear that the Camry is facing some stiff competition. But Toyota has always been known for its ability to adapt, and the Camry is no exception. In recent years, we've seen a major overhaul of the Camry's design, with a focus on a more aggressive and sporty look. And it's paid off. The new Camry is sleek, sophisticated, and undeniably eye-catching. But it's not just about looks. The Camry also boasts some impressive tech, including advanced safety features and a range of engine options. When it comes to performance, the Camry delivers. With a smooth ride and responsive handling, it's a joy to drive. And with fuel efficiency that's hard to beat, it's a practical choice for families and commuters alike. But how does it stack up against its rivals? The Honda Accord, for example, is a perennial bestseller, and the Hyundai Sonata is a dark horse that's been gaining traction in recent years. So, what sets the Camry apart? For one, its reputation for reliability is unmatched. Toyota's commitment to quality and durability means that the Camry is a safe bet for anyone looking for a trouble-free driving experience. And with a range of trim levels and options to choose from, there's a Camry to suit every budget and lifestyle. So, what do the latest sales figures tell us? Despite the challenges facing the industry, the Toyota Camry is still flying high. In fact, it's currently the best-selling car of 2025, with sales numbers that are nothing short of impressive. But what's driving this success? Is it the Camry's reputation, its features, or something else entirely? One thing's for sure, the Camry is still a top choice for car buyers around the world. With its winning combination of style, technology, and performance, it's easy to see why. Whether you're a longtime Camry fan or just looking for a reliable ride, this car has something for everyone.